Introducing custom document agents from Templafy, a smarter way to automate document generation across your enterprise. With custom document agents, you can build tailored AI agents directly into your team's document workflows. This helps improve consistency and accuracy, while also increasing productivity because your teams spend less time manually editing and assembling documents. Let's take a look at how it works. Here, the admin has created an agent specialized in generating audit proposals for the sales team. A typical proposal includes several different sections. Some sections need to stay consistent using approved best practice content from the Templafy library. Other sections benefit from the creativity of AI, grounded in organizational knowledge. Templafy lets you decide exactly how much control you want over each part of the document. For example, the introduction section should always include 3 slides: a cover slide, an agenda slide, and an executive summary. For the project team section, slides should be selected from the library based on the team members participating in the project. Approved slides with bios and photos for each team member are already available in the Consultant Bios folder in the Templafy library, and the agent should use those. Similarly, for customer case studies, the original customer quotes and figures should be unchanged, so the agent will use approved slides from the customer cases folder without modifying the content. This is how admins can centrally manage the approved content in the library and maintain consistency across presentations created by document agents. Admins can define questions for end users for additional context. They can also connect organizational knowledge from uploaded files, SharePoint, or OneDrive, ensuring the agent has the necessary context to generate accurate, relevant documents. This gives organizations a scalable way to turn company best practices into repeatable, AI-powered workflows. Instead of relying on every employee to know the format, content, or brand rules, admins can centrally manage the guardrails that ensure every AI-generated presentation is accurate, on-brand, and aligned with how the business wants to communicate. The tone of voice for the entire document can also be configured here, along with the template the agent should use for this presentation. Now that the agent has been created by admin, let's see how it works with the user. Here, the user wants to generate a proposal for a customer named Brightstone. To ensure that the agent has the right context, they upload a brief, which is a document extracted from CRM, populated with the details about the account. To give users more control over the final output, the agent presents an editable presentation outline before generating the proposal. Users can review the proposed structure, adjust slide content, change layouts, add or remove sections, and refine the direction upfront, reducing the risk of getting a document that does not match their expectations. It also reduces the time they have to spend in editing afterwards to finalize the proposal. Once the user is satisfied with the narrative and structure, they can ask the document agent to generate the presentation. Now, let's take a look at the final proposal. The introduction section does have the 3 slides following the configuration we saw in the beginning. The document agent has processed the information supplied in the brief with the organizational knowledge to generate these slides, which reflect the customer situation and the vendor's solution appropriately. The project team section, created only with rules, has the pre-existing slides from the library that describes the profile of the team members mentioned in the brief. Similarly, the customer references has picked the relevant success stories based on the industry, size, and region of the target account. This is how the custom document agents can generate any presentation for your teams where you want more control as an organization. It also increases the accuracy and completeness of the generated presentations, requiring less time spent on editing, resulting in high productivity for the end users. Want to know more? Reach out to your Templafy account manager.